My name is Barb, and I'm running for the Forest Preserve District 5 of DuPage County. Did you hear that? That's a bird. But you know what's amazing about that? Many people heard of Rachel Carson's Silent Spring in the early 1960s when she produced that book about the bird population being decimated. In the last 50 years, we've lost 1 in 4 birds. That's 25% of the bird population that is gone. And we're in one of the biggest extinctions in the last 10 million years. So here we are. What can the Forest Preserve do to help the birds? And a lot of it is allowing brush, allowing shrubs, reintroducing the places that the birds want to nest and what they feed on. 90% of those birds that were lost were in something like 12 families of birds. Sparrows, which you wouldn't think because they're not something that's hard to keep. Sparrows were the #1 species we're losing. Blackbirds were right up there. So the Forest Preserve needs to look not only at us, at the Forest Preserve, we need to help globally with what's going on out here, because if we continue to lose birds like we are, we're in our second silent spring, and people better pay attention. And that's not a very uplifting note, is it? But it's just, I wanted to make people aware. So my name is Barb, and if you want to find out other things about me, go to barbo4forestpreserve.com and consider me. I ask you to register to vote, I ask you to vote, and I ask for your vote on November 3rd. Thank you.